Hello everyone, I'm Tristan Tomasino, Managing Director and Auctioneer at Buxton Inner West. And today, let's take a look at what's in store for the property market ahead. First off, let's talk about the buzz around open homes in the last couple of weekends, where we're getting staggering numbers through on any given Saturday. At the moment, from cosy apartments to gorgeous, spacious family homes, we're averaging anywhere from 15 to 25 groups through. This is a stark contrast to only 12 months ago, where on average we were seeing anywhere from 5 to 6 groups, and sometimes even as low as 3 to 8. This is nearly triple the amount that we are seeing at the moment. Economists are suggesting that interest rates have now peaked and inflation is at its lowest level since 2021. We're anticipating at least 2 Super Saturdays heading into Easter, where on any given day we'll see in excess of 1,000 auctions. This is a welcome change for buyers that have faced a severe stock shortage over the last 12 months. Now, my number one advice for buyers is this at the moment. If you find the perfect property, go for it, put your best foot forward. If it ticks all the boxes, you could be 6 to 12 months before the next one turns up. As an example of the strength of the market at the moment, and we're potentially in a rising market, just last weekend we had an auction where we had 4 registered bidders, and only 12 months ago the vendors decided to sell at a similar time and couldn't even get an offer of between $1.1 to $1.2 million. Last weekend it sold just after auction for $1.3 million and is a sign that the market is certainly on the rise.